Hello CGDojo friends. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install fonts for free, okay, in any 3D software or 2D software. It goes from all the Adobe suite, from Illustrator, Photoshop, After Effects, Premiere. It doesn't matter. It's going to install in the system. It won't install in the software, Okay, so let's say I have Gimp, okay. Let's say I just had Gimp open. Okay, right now it's loading. Meanwhile, I'm gonna go ahead to the website, which is this website, dafont.com. Okay, and it's very simple to find. Let me switch to English. It's really simple to find any font you can ever dream of. Okay, for example, I click there. Okay, so it's separated into categories from, so you can see square, LCD, sci-fi, various. Okay, so I'm gonna download a sci-fi font. Okay, in this case, well, let's try this one, Edge Razor or Airstrike. I think this one's cooler, Airstrike. Okay, so all I have to do is just click download, accept, and let's go ahead and find the file. It's gonna be a zip file. Okay, so if you double click, you're only gonna be able to see the fonts. Okay, and you won't be able to install them. You can only open them one by one. So what we want to do is just right click and click extract all. Okay, mine is in Spanish, don't worry. You will say extract all. Okay, extract, and then I'm gonna get all my files. Okay, so this is gonna be as simple as just right clicking. As you can see, this is all the typography is gonna install, all the different types. Okay, I'm just gonna install one. Okay, well, I'll do it with two so you see an example of how it's done. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one and this one, but in your case you can choose all of them. Okay, well, this is a text document. Okay, we're just gonna delete that one. Okay, so I'm gonna choose whatever I want to install. If you want to install all of them, go ahead and do. So I'm just gonna choose these two that I liked, and all I have to do is just right click and install. Okay, watch this little shield, is that I'm administrator permission. Okay, so I'm gonna click install, and that's it. That's everything you have to do when you want to install a font. Okay, so I'm just gonna close these windows, go back to Gimp, new file, accept. Okay, I'm just gonna type that. Okay, let's not be simple, let's at least type this. Okay, so here we have Computer Graphics Dojo, but this is the sans font. Okay, so I'm gonna look for the one I just installed. I just forgot the name, sorry, Airstrike. Okay, so it should be here, and let's go to the A. Okay, oh well, as you can see, the font is not here, and this is a common mistake. I did this on purpose, so I opened the software before I installed the font. That's something you don't want to do, because if you do this, then the software won't load the typography we just installed. Okay, so what we have to do, I'm just gonna save this, Control C. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I have to close the software I'm using. Why is this? Because the software loads the typographies, the font you install, but at the beginning when you're opening it. Okay, so the more fonts you have, the longer it's gonna have to wait for the software to open. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead on Gimp. Okay, and as you can see, typography are loading. Okay, looking for data. This could take a while. Okay, there we go. Okay, now Now when I go ahead and look for the font, which name it was Airstrike, I believe. Yes, Airstrike. There we go. Okay, you can see it is here, and all we have to do is just choose it. Okay, and we have our font already in our document. And this applies for every single piece of software that you have in the system, because the font installs in Windows. It won't install in a specific software. So it is now available in every other software that of your choosing. Okay. So, well, we're gonna leave it here with the font, and I hope this was helpful to you, and we'll see you later.